Hey everyone, Will Lopez here, head ambassador at Gusto. I'm here today to talk you through Form W-4. In my opinion, it's one of the most important forms that employers and employees should know about. It's so important, in fact, that I suggest you, yes, you, should encourage your employees to revisit every single year. Of course, updating your withholdings on the W-4 form is always optional, but the IRS does recommend to employees that they revisit their W-4 form every year. Why? Great question. Let me tell you why. Taxpayers who fill out their W-4 forms, or at the very least revisit their elections, are less likely to wind up with a large tax bill or a giant refund when they go to file their tax returns the following year. Now, a big bill is obviously bad. No one wants that, but a giant refund isn't great either when you think about it. Why? Because you could have used that money to spend, save, or invest as you wished all throughout the year instead of getting it back all at once. And by reviewing your withholding elections on the W-4 form every year, you'll never get caught off guard. And that's why you should care, at the very least, about reviewing your W-4 every year. Hop over to the next video to hear more about who specifically should fill out Form W-4. I'm Will Lopez. Thanks for watching.